Hello again, welcome to Today Art. In today's video, we're going to be working on a project that you picked the name through my poll. And the name is Unwavering Gaze. It won by 67% of the votes, okay? This is Unwavering Gaze, okay? And then here is the photograph that has inspired the painting. So hopefully you can see that in the photograph right there. Okay. Today I'm going to be working on the trees. I'm going to increase the size of these clumps to make them look more realistic. And I'm also planning on working on his eyes, the irises to be specific. I will do my best to zoom in when I do that, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the video. I wasn't satisfied with the background in this painting. The trees were just kind of wonky. And still not satisfied even after this session. I'm rethinking what I'm going to do with this background. I'm thinking maybe just kind of blur it between the blue and the white and the grays and with snow falling. What do you think? I would love to hear what your thoughts are. Here I'm enhancing the dark around his eyelids. That just gives him that intense look. I'm using mid-yellow and white to highlight around his pupils. I'm using raw umber now to give it a little bit of depth and to give it a little bit of interest. And now more white to create more contrast. When I'm working with eyes, I always add a twinkle, even if it's not in the inspiration photograph, simply because it helps it look wet and shiny and gives it more of a realistic look. Here I'm defining the pupils a little bit better just to make it cleaner. I still have some more detail to add to his eyes, and that'll happen in more progress videos. Here I'm enhancing some of the white fur around his eyes. That just helps them pop more. And now adding contrast to his ears. They've been flat just a little too long. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the photo. Yeah. Okay, try that again. Please visit. Try that again. Tongue-tied. If you're interested in purchasing any of my work or order. Another one. If you enjoy watching the progress that I make on my paintings or get value out of the information I share in my videos, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps this channel grow. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. If you're interested in purchasing any of my work or would like to order a custom work, please visit my shop, Today Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.